Children, today we are going to work with the Jigsaw map of the world. This is the Jigsaw map of the world. We are going to learn the names of continents. Watch me carefully. This is Asia. Please trace and say Asia. This is Asia. This is Europe. Please trace and say Europe. This is Europe. This is Africa. Trace and say Africa. This is Africa. This is North America. Trace and say North America. This is North America. This is South America. Trace and say South America. This is South America. This is Antarctica. Trace and say Antarctica. This is Antarctica. This is Australasia. Trace and say Australasia. This is Australasia. Today we have learned the names of the continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australasia. Asia is the biggest continent. This is our own continent. Asia is our own continent. This is Australasia. Australasia is the smallest continent.